ever wondered what a thibbersweep looks like? What about an clacks? Now with AI technology, you can make up a word, and render your new word into a work of art. I enter my words into wombo.art, but go ahead and see if any of the other AI platforms will do the job. Clearly this isn't something that is ready to be hung on my wall. So even if you weren't convinced that creating the word itself is enough to truly make me the artist, then certainly the subsequent steps I take to alter and modify the image will. This is the point when I can apply the expertise that I've already developed as an artist. My artistic expertise from back in the Stone Age, when human beings had to make their own pictures, oftentimes from scratch. The introduction of this technology has raised many philosophical questions, and I'm not going to attempt to tackle them all here. I will bring up some of the questions that have occurred to me. Some see AI as a technology that is making some seismic changes to art. But what has really changed? Was an abundance of free, on-demand graphic imagery not already available in our internet age? Even before personal computing. What was stopping the unskilled from putting a piece of tracing paper over a photograph and tracing it? The world doesn't particularly need more pictures, but the world can always use more imagination power. Artists don't tend to conceive of their role as delivering pretty pictures. Rather, the artist is offering up a glimpse of what is going on in his mind. And particularly as abstract artists, we're used to reaching into a realm somewhere beyond, and bringing our visions down to earth for the rest of mankind to marvel at. Which brings me to the next philosophical question I find interesting. Back in the Stone Age when you had to think up what your next work of art will look like, and you quote-unquote had an idea, did that idea come from you, or could it have, perhaps, come through you? What if all your ideas never came from you at all, but were actually planted there by some mysterious process or intention that isn't necessarily, by definition, you? This is some more artwork that I've created this way. Maybe we can teach the AI that this is what a webbucket looks like, so that next time someone enters this word, they will get better results. Whether or not designers and illustrators will go the way of the dodo remains to be seen. But the artist's job is far from done. This is a new beginning for art, and it's up to us artists to explore this uncharted terrain, and share our findings with the world. The known artists have been given a new toy that lets them create every combination of everything that already exists. But artists, we have work to do.